In the year 1186, three brothers led a bloody rebellion against Bulgaria's Byzantine overlords. The three brothers then ruled Bulgaria after its liberation from Byzantine slavery. Two brothers, Assen and Peter, dedicated their lives to Bulgaria, that it would survive as an independent state. They ruled the newly liberated Bulgaria together and continued to defend the country from Byzantine forces. The third brother, Kaloyan, went on to become an iconic figure in the history of Bulgarian rulers. According to historical records, he was a brilliant emperor and commander of war. As a representative of Bulgaria, Tsar Kaloyan was also known to have made remarkable diplomatic achievements throughout Europe in the late 12th and early 13th centuries. Their heir, King Ivan Assen II, was then destined to be an outstanding diplomat, and he strengthened Bulgaria to return to its historic greatness. A system of hereditary rule allowed the family to retain power, and the seat of the Tsar was exchanged regularly between family members. The Assen family ruled Bulgaria for a century. Though Sofia is currently the capital of modern-day Bulgaria, in 1186, the Assen Tsars chose to rule Bulgaria from Veliko Tarnovo. In 1985, 800 years since the Assen brothers freed Bulgaria from the Byzantines, a monument to the Assen Dynasty was erected in the center of Veliko Tarnovo. Gigantic black statues of the ruling Tsars, Assen, Peter, Kaloyan, and Assen II, are represented on horseback. They circle an even larger black sword pointing straight up into the sky, representing the growing strength of Bulgaria during the medieval times.